Hey, how you doing? This is Tom, and this is Tom's Radio Room Show. And if you're like me, you've been kind of closely watching what's going on over in Ukraine. And there's a post, I think it was yesterday, on swling.com, and this is about HF monitoring in Ukraine. And this is using SDR radios that are on the internet to listen what's going on over in Ukraine. And here's a map that you can get when you go to one of these websites. And the gentleman is saying, you know, he would appreciate any tips for ways of listening to things that are going on there, because it's really messy. So down here, one of the tips, and I'll find it down here in a second one, down here, where is Andrew? Andrew says, here we go. This is a list of Ukrainian web published SDRs. Didn't check them all out, but the ones I've checked seem to be active. So we can take this link right here, and it takes us to this web page. I don't remember this web page, but I think I have been here once and forgot about it. This is a database of world radios, receivers and transmitters, and you can do a search. So this gentleman, what he did was he did a search on the country of Ukraine, and these are all the radios that you can get hold of, control on the internet via WebSDR and OpenWebRX. So we can click on one of these, and it tells you the bands, the country, the city, QTH, and the type. So we're just going to click on the first one here. And what this does, it just takes you, in this case, to Kiwi SDR. And we turn the audio down. And now you're using an SDR that belongs to someone via the internet, and you can control that radio, the frequency, the volume, the filters, all kinds of things. You've seen this before. But what's nice is that gentleman has done that search on that web page, which I'll go back to in a second, of radios in Ukraine. Now, the other way to do it is when you're here, when you first go to Kiwi SDR, it will show you a map of the radios that are available. But he's already kind of done that by using that filter. So then you have to figure out what's, you know, going on here. So you're just going to have to go through these and find out what's going on. But this radio is over in Ukraine, so it's going to pick up local broadcast, all kinds. International broadcast, utility broadcasts, military, whatever. But let's zoom in here a little bit. Okay, how come I'm not zooming in? Oh well, anyway, there's a strong signal right there. Let's try that. We'll turn the audio back on. Sounds like sideband. Oh, I'm in sideband. Let's go to AM. Well, I have no idea what that is. Try this one. No. I don't understand why. Let me shut the audio down here. Not sure why I couldn't zoom in. Oh, that's to change the frequency. This is the zoom in right here. Oh, what a dumb. It didn't take me long to forget how to use things. So we got a bunch of signals here. I don't know what they are. So you can just play around and maybe you can find somebody that's broadcasting something in your language. Let me go a little bit closer. Oh boy, there's a couple of big signals. Let's try this, and just for the heck of it, I'll turn the audio back on. Now, you're just going to have to play around with it. But you have the possibility of actually finding a station over there that's broadcasting in English and telling you what's going on. This would be cool if you could. I'm going to play with this most of the afternoon and see if I can find anything. If you find anything, let us know. That's the whole idea. Share the information. Let us know. Now, let me go back, and I'm going to put I'll put a link to this particular post on SWLING. Now, there was another one up here. This is online streaming of RUI, which includes English segments. So let's click on that. So that's another web page. So that's a Ukraine station, and they have broadcast recorded that you can listen to. And according to the gentleman's post, some of these are in English. I'm not sure how you find which ones are in English. Let's go to list of programs. Okay, it doesn't really say which ones are in English, but this indicates they're not. See that it's not English underneath the title. So you just have to play around with it. Let's go back to home. So these are recorded broadcasts, such as news. You got to check it out. Again, let me go back one more time. One more time. So this is at the SWLING website. And let's see, when was it posted? It's one thing that I struggle with is the posts don't have a date on them usually. Yeah, I don't see any date. There was a couple of days ago I got the email that says, oh, here it is. The entry was posted on February 15th. Oh, okay. So that was yesterday. So this is new news. Check it out. I'll put the link here in the first comment below this video. And have a great day. And like I say, if you find out anything, let us know. Let us know. We're sharing the information. Bye-bye.